Hello everyone. Sorry I've been absent since I last uploaded. I've been sick with a cold. I did have a good Christmas though. Well, beforehand. And I hope you guys did too. But since this year is about to come to a close, I'm going to be doing my last unboxing video for this year. And that is on the All Engines Go Push Along Whiff. And as you can see here, I got the CGI push along Whiff to compare. But as you may know, I found this guy at Meyer about a few weeks ago. He is one of those engines that is hard to come by, along with that push along troublesome truck. But yeah, let's get right into unboxing Whiff. Here's Whiff out of the box. And here is the box. Here's Whiff. Looking all happy and cheerful. Well, yeah, when Whiff was reintroduced in All Engines Go, not only is he still a recycling engine, but he's also an inventor. Number 66, got some smudges and dirt around him. But that's how Whiff likes it. He's a garbage engine, but also an inventor. Inventing things made from garbage. Here's Whiff. Copyrighted. If I only get it to focus a bit. I believe it's 2022. Yep, it's 2022. When All Engines Go came out, his recycling plant was there, but not with himself. This because he was originally planned to return when the series first started. Well, with season 1, of course. But due to budgetary constraints, that was put on hold until season 2. But to me, the mystery of Lookout Mountain is his true reintroduction. Here's All Engines Go Whiff, and here's CGI Whiff. They both wear glasses, although they're a different shade of green. The Whiff on the right is darker, while this one is a bit light. Well, this one's lighter. And when Whiff was reintroduced in All Engines Go, he has been shrunken down a bit. This Whiff is longer, as Whiff is meant to be a long tank engine, similar to Arthur, Ryan, Bell, you name it. Number 66. Here's the back. I'm sorry if the lighting isn't that great. I'm filming out here in the dining room. Pretty much anywhere in my house is my filming location. So, but yeah. Other side's just about the same. Here's the top. I noticed that this whiff has 4 lining. Well, this whiff only has 2. And this one, I'm pretty sure that's the... I'm not sure if his dome is meant to be yellow, but it could be his whistle or safety valve. Well, the dome on this whiff is green. Oh, pardon me. Here's the underneath. This whiff has longer chassis, a longer undercarriage. Well, this whiff has a shorter undercarriage. And, but yeah, that's all on the push along Whiff. The all engines go one. That and the CGI one. I got this one back on Amazon back in 2022. But yeah. Thankfully I came across this version. As this guy's because this guy is hard to find. If you don't have this standard Whiff, you can get him in a set called Whiff's Recycling Run, which is available now in certain countries. But yeah, that's gonna do it on the Push Along All Engines Go Whiff. And it's been a blast making videos for you guys this year. Getting lots of subscribers, making tons of content, all that stuff. But yeah, this year has gone by. And I want to thank you guys for being around here. This in 2024. I can't wait to see what 2025 brings us. Until then, thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in 2025.